I've spent my life devoted to the arts, at least 23 years towards developing it. You're going to have to find what you love and put your life into it. It's going to have to take you away while you do it. You're going to have to be swept away. It'll destroy your time like nothing before, and that time spent will fly by. You won't even realize you're wasting time. Find something like that and put your energy into it. Be naive and innocent when it comes to this hobby. My interest towards the arts started off organically, as a means of escape at a young age. It became the one thing that took my mind off of my horrible life. This artistic venture is one of extreme isolation and self-criticism. No one will criticize you more than you criticize yourself, ideally. If you're just starting, not only will you criticize yourself, others will too. That's how you get better. It's going to take thousands of hours of hard work. So I ask you, what is it that lights a fire in your heart? What steals your mind for hours at a time? What gives you a sense of purpose in life? What's your passion? I know mine.